Today, before going to the synthesis of sentence, we will see making of compound sentence. There are three types of sentence: simple sentence, compound sentence, and complex sentence. When you add two or more than two simple sentences by using coordinate conjunction, please underline coordinate conjunction, it forms a compound sentence. By using coordinate conjunction like either or, underline it, neither nor, also, likewise, so, therefore, and sometimes comma and semicolon also work like coordinate conjunction, and compound sentences can be made by that. Example: I went to the market, I saw a beautiful watch, I could not however purchase it. I went to the market and saw a beautiful watch, but I could not purchase it. He is slow, he is regular. He is slow but regular. He is industrious, he is very serious in his work. He is not only industrious but also very serious in his work. Get in, you may catch cold. Get in, or you may catch cold. So here we see we are using coordinate conjunction like or, neither nor, not only but also. Okay, then do not be borrower, do not be a lender either. Neither be a borrower nor a lender. Next, it was very cold last night, I could not have a sound sleep. It was very cold last night and therefore I could not have a sound sleep. He was annoyed, still he kept quiet. He was annoyed, still he kept quiet. Let's see the transformation of synthesis tips. A simple sentence can be transformed into a complex sentence by enlarging a phrase into a subordinate clause. You have read about the clauses in 8th class. Main clause, stand of its own, that is also known as principal clause. Subordinate clause or dependent clause can be noun clause, adjective clause, or adverb clause. He liked my suggestion, simple sentence. He liked what I suggested. Here we see what I suggested is your complex sentence. Here the noun my suggestion has been changed into subordinate clause. What I suggested. Then she was too poor to educate her children. She was so poor that she could not educate her children. So here the adverbial phrase has been changed into subordinate clause. A wounded tiger is very fierce. A tiger that is wounded is very fierce. Here the adjective phrase has been changed to subordinate clause. Some steps to better understanding. Complex, simple, compound. Since, as and when change is to be made in the subordinate clause when subjects are same. When you add two or more than two simple sentences by using subordinate conjunction, it forms a complex sentence. By use of noun clause. The noun clause works in 5 ways: subject of verb, object of transitive verb or preposition, verb of incomplete predication, is, are, am, was, were, and complement and in case of opposition. In synthesis of sentences also, noun form can be used by using noun clause. She is speaking the truth, it is known to all. That she is speaking, the truth is known to all. That she is speaking, the truth is known. So here, that she is speaking is becoming noun clause. It is acting as subject of the verb is. He is a saint. Everybody knows it. Everybody knows that. Everybody knows what? That he is a saint. So here, that he is a saint is a noun clause because it is acting as the object of the verb knows. I told you that yesterday. You should try it. You must try that. Try what? What I told you yesterday. He was innocent. This was her statement. It was right. Her statement that he was innocent was right. Now this is about your noun clause we saw. Then adjective, synthesis of adjective clause can be done by relative pronoun or relative adverb. I met an old man. Please underline relative pronoun and relative adverb. He was very weak. I met an old man who was very weak. Relative pronoun. I saw a car. It was black in color. I saw a car which was black in color. So it is your adjective clause and which is used to signify or to tell the quality of the car which was black. I met your friend. His phone was stolen in the train. I met your friend whose phone was stolen in the train. I have purchased a big house. It has a big guest room. The guest room is well decorated. The big house that I have purchased has a big guest room which is well decorated. Next comes by use of adverb clause. The synthesis can be done by using adverb clause in a way of adverb clause of time, reason, place, condition, comparison, contrast, result, manner. I could not come. I was ill. I could not come because the reason it is telling. Why I could not come? Because I was ill. He committed a theft. He has been caught by the police. He committed a theft, so he has been caught by the police. Tell me the truth. I shall pardon you. I shall pardon you if you tell me the truth. The thief saw the police. He took to his heels. As soon as the thief saw the police, he took to his heels. I think this complex and compound sentence is clear to you. And in the next offline or online video we will see more about it. Thank you and have a nice day.